Okay, this video looks at solving a trig equation, and the first thing that it's worth doing is having a little look at the graph of this situation. All trig equations can be represented graphically, so we've got to try and solve 7 sine x degrees plus 1 is equal to 3, and notice here we've got this domain on the x where x is to be between 0 and 360 degrees. So if we have a look at graphing software like Desmos, here's the graph of y equals 7 sine x plus 1, so that's the left hand side of our equation. We are interested in when is it equal to 3, so that is when does it cross the line y equals 3. So sine wave there you can see with an amplitude of 7, and it's been shifted up by 1 unit, and the horizontal line there has the equation y equals 3. So we're trying to find the x part of this coordinate and this coordinate. Notice that the curve and the line meet again here, but that's beyond 360 degrees, so that solution is out with our domain that we've restricted. So the first step in solving this would be to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. We'll get 7 sine x is equal to 2, and then dividing both sides by 7 gives us sine x is equal to 2/7. Now we need to remove the sine, and the way to do that is to take the inverse of sine. So inverse sine on both sides leaves us x on the left, and inverse sine, that's sine to the minus 1, of 2/7, which if you reach for your calculator you'll see gives you 16.6015 and some stuff. Now whenever you hit inverse sine or cosine or inverse tangent, in fact, you should consider the fact that you might have a second or even more solutions, and in this case we will have a further solution. We've already seen it here on the graph, and the way to find that is to use your 4-quadrant diagram. So the first quadrant is the all, then sine, tan and cos. We are looking for a situation where sine x is equal to 2/7. This is positive, so we're looking for positive ratio here, which means we're going to have solutions from the all box, because all ratios are positive here, and also from the sine box. And the way to get the solution from the sine box is 180 minus your solution from the all box. So our second solution here is going to be 180 minus this first quadrant angle, this 16.6, which gives you 163.398 and some stuff, which will round now in this final line to 16.6 degrees. Remember, this is an angle we're calculating, and 163.4 degrees. And we can go back to Desmos here where we've got our graph and see if in fact the x coordinate of this point is 16.6, and yeah, just clicking on it there, 16.6, and a height of 3, which is what we expected because we were interested when this graph was 3, and this one here 163.4, which is also what we were expecting.